Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive right into using UPBASE for theater production planning. This guide is updated for 2025, so let's get started. The first step is setting up your account. Visit the UPBASE website, click on Sign Up, and fill in the required details. The reason we do this is UPBASE is an essential tool for organizing and managing all aspects of your theater production, from casting to scheduling rehearsals. Now that you've set up your account, let's move on to creating a new project. On the dashboard, click on New Project and enter the name of your production. This helps us because it allows us to keep all the related tasks, files, and details under one roof, making it easier to access and manage. Next up, we're going to add team members to the project. Click on Add Members and enter their email addresses. You can assign different roles and permissions to each member. Let me explain why this matters. By delegating tasks and responsibilities effectively, you ensure smoother operations and better collaboration among your team. The next step is scheduling and task assignment. Click on Add Task, specify the task details, and assign it to a team member. Set a deadline for each task. The reason we do this is it helps in keeping track of each task's progress and ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding their responsibilities. Now, let's discuss document management. You can upload scripts, production designs, and any other relevant files to the project. This helps us because it ensures all critical documents are readily available to all team members, making communication and collaboration more efficient. Finally, make use of the calendar feature. Here you can schedule rehearsals, meetings, and performances, providing a clear timeline. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE syncs this calendar with your team members' calendars, ensuring everyone is aware of upcoming events and deadlines. And that's it. You're now ready to use UPBASE for your theater production planning. Remember, the key to successful theater production is organization and communication, and UPBASE is an excellent tool for both. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.